SNES stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is SenesTech stock buy, SenesTech stock buy. I'm going to be breaking all of this down in this brief short 1-minute video. This thing is pumping like ridiculously higher. When it was inside the supply zone, I was like, if there's a double break, I'm willing to take it down. It had other plans, it had other plans. And since it's pumping, the only thing that I'm looking to do is just double down. I didn't proceed with the sell side because I didn't get my rules met. You know what I mean? The idea was sell side, but that's why I love my strategy, because if rules are not met, it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna sell, or buy or sell. In that instance, it was a sell. How this looks like is very sick. Hopefully, like in a pump like this, I just hope I see a little correction so I can take it further up. And if rules are not met, then so be it. I'm not gonna sit here and trying to force stuff randomly. SNES, I've got around 2 results with this in the Discord, not a small amount. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails to insights for free plus the blueprint, click the first link in the description. It's free.